Hello, in this video I will show you how to split the Excel shells based on the special character like slash. So the result I want to 11 to 19. Okay, so to do that you can select all the columns and then you go to data, then go to text to columns. Select the first one, go to next. So by default it's split by the tabs, but we using the special character. For example, if you're using dash, you can type in dash here. In our case it's a slash, so we using slash. Then you can see the result is over here. If you don't want to keep the original data, you can go to next, then click finish. It will split the original into 3 columns. But in our case, we wanted to keep the original one and put it maybe from F, G, H. Okay, so let's go back to data, text columns. Oh, sorry, we need to select the data first, text columns. Go to next. Same thing, using slash to split it. Go to next, and here you have a destination. So we want E, F, G, okay? So we click destination, then we go to E, F, G, okay? Then we click finish. Now the data split in E, F, G columns. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.